Let's go with today's recipe. It's such a simple recipe that you can prepare it every day. Look how amazing it looks, wow, with some sauce. Affordable ingredients and an easy recipe. We're going to use chicken. We'll prepare it with an amazing sauce, and you're going to like it. Stay until the end. As the first ingredient, some simple chicken breasts, sliced. 5 or 6 fillets are enough. We'll season them with salt and pepper. In this case, I like coarse salt and freshly ground pepper. As soon as you have them, make a little pile and we'll go to the pan. A splash of olive oil, about 10 milliliters, and also 10 grams of butter. A small stick. Now we turn on the heat and wait for it to melt. As soon as you have it, add it. The chicken breasts. You can use just oil if you prefer, but the sauce is really delicious. Alright, here we go. First fillet, and we're going to place them all there. If they don't all fit, don't worry, because when you fry them, they shrink, and you'll have a little space to fit the last one. You'll see. We're going to cook them like this on both sides until they're golden brown. It'll take about a minute. Medium-high heat. There you go. Let's flip them over. And there we have the little space we talked about for my last steak. In this case, there are 5. We don't want the chicken breasts to be too thin, okay? Don't overdo it like that. More or less medium. Besides chicken, it also works with turkey, and exactly the same with beef. Just let it cook for 2 more minutes. It's amazing. You can choose any meat, it works well, and I'll tell you that you can also make it with fish fillets. As soon as the fillets are nicely browned, we take them out and set them aside. Next ingredient, an onion. There we have it. We're going to cut it into medium-sized chunks and go straight to the pan. In the same oil and melted butter, we're going to brown our onion. Put it in and leave it there while you get the next ingredient, which is 3 cloves of super flavorful garlic. We're going to slice them. Once sliced, add them to the pan over the onion. Let everything cook together. It will turn out spectacular. A luxury dish. We need 400 milliliters of tomato sauce. In it goes fried tomato, homemade tomato sauce, ratatouille, tomato soup. That works. Whatever you want. The key is to add some sweetness. If it's very acidic, like grated tomato, just add some sugar. Or a few spoonfuls of fried tomato so it doesn't end up too acidic. The final result? To give this future sauce some punch, a tablespoon of super Italian oregano and a pinch of thyme. And cook for 2 minutes over medium heat. After that time, we add the chicken back in. And here, we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Next ingredient, shredded mozzarella cheese. We put it on top of our fantastic chicken, cover it, and wait 2 more minutes until it melts. And from here, it couldn't be easier. Straight to the table. Riz Ras. It's so delicious that I make it almost every week. A hearty dinner made with chicken breasts. Spectacular. You have to make them. You're going to love them. Riz Ras. Who can top that? Here you have this chicken with tomato sauce. Spectacular. I'm going to poke, I'm going to drag, and I'm going to gobble it up. It's juicy. It's delicious. You can taste the cheese, you can taste the tomato, and of course you can taste the chicken. Really good, quick to make, easy, cheap. What more do you want? I'll leave the ingredients for you over there, also in the text box and throughout the video, so no one gets lost. Thanks for coming, love you all. See you in the next video. Enjoy. Look.
Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel.